Hi, today I'm making stuffed zucchini. This is a recipe my aunt passed on to me. It was amazing. So we're using 3 medium to large zucchini. I'm using my favorite tomato spaghetti sauce. I also am using 2 pounds of ground beef, as well as green onions from my garden. So it's about 1/8 of a cup, a half a cup of a medium white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and fresh basil to taste. So I used about 2 tablespoons of basil, I believe. You're going to begin by washing and cutting the ends off of the zucchini and cutting them lengthwise. And once you have cut the zucchini lengthwise, you're going to take a spoon and you're going to scrape out the inside of the raw zucchini so it'll create a hollow area for you to place the stuffed mixture. So we're going to begin with those 2 pounds of ground beef. It actually was 3 tablespoons of green onion, a quarter cup of Italian breadcrumbs, the 2 chopped cloves of garlic, and then it was 2 tablespoons, right about there, of fresh basil. And that basil is from my garden as well. I used the Morton seasoned salt to taste, and I am mixing all of my ingredients together, and then I'm taking maybe a 1/8 of a cup of the tomato sauce, and I'm adding it to the mixture. Again, this is just not only for flavor but to bind it, and I didn't necessarily want to use the egg in this. And so I was able to combine the tomato sauce and the herbs and the hamburger, and then begin to fill the hollow area of the zucchini. So once I have placed the hamburger inside of the zucchini, I'm going to bake this for about 15 minutes. Again, it gives the hamburger a little bit of time to cook and the zucchini to cook. And then I'm going to add my jarred tomato sauce. Now, in this case, I just poured it right over the zucchini. It did create quite a bit of juice, so if you wanted to drain off the drippings, this would probably be the best time to do so. I added shaved Parmesan. I love Parmesan cheese, and so the shaved Parmesan, I used a liberal amount of that. I added fresh parsley, or I started cutting up fresh parsley so that I could add it after I cooked the dish another 15 minutes. Once it was done, I added this parsley. It was ready to serve, and it was, again, amazing. And that was stuffed zucchini.